Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Yeah, so I'm having a problem with my dryer where it's not spinning as freely and it's not drying the clothes. Like you literally had to like force it a little bit. Otherwise the dryer never really gave me any problems. I had it for about 3 years now. Yeah. I regularly change the filter right here. Yeah, I already changed that. This other vent right here. I regularly change that too. Clean it, Yeah, but overall the dryer been really good though. Small. It takes a good amount of clothes. It dries efficiently until now. So now let's figure out what's the problem. So I'll go for the back in to see what's on it. We're going to use a screwdriver again. Let's see what you use. Let me check this for something. I got it rolling on a dolly so it's easy to move around. The machine itself is light though. So these right here are rivets, so you can't take those out with the screwdriver. But I should still be able to see the inside. So I see this belt is off. No wonder why it was spinning very hard. See this? You see this little pulley down here? The belt for the bearing is on though, for the bearing cage. Let me try to put this on. It's kind of beat up a little bit, but and I really wonder what exactly causes it to come off. So just pull it down and try to get an angle on it and then remove the belt as you go. So now I got it on. You just spin more freely now. Let me check how it looks. Still spinning pretty rough. I definitely need to replace this. It's tearing up. But yeah, it's spinning freely on this side, man. I don't know what's going on with it. It just came back off. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Now it's running. It's still not fully where I wanted it to be, but it's running though. I gotta replace that belt. Yeah, it was pretty cut up, but that was the problem though. gonna try to order a new belt. But yeah, it's running now though. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more.